next one, and this one is very, very commonly asked questions. This number E. So it says one who owes money. One who owes money to people should not disperse the large amount to tzedakah. Nevertheless, he is not entirely exempt from the mitzvah, since everyone must give at least a third of the shekel a year. However, he should make a great attempt to pay back that what he owns before contributing a lot of tzedakah. And we have a case like that, a few cases. Like some years ago, one person borrows from his cousin. And of course he did not, not of course, but he did not pay back. And when the high holidays came, so he was throwing money left and right. So this cousin was sitting and she was like, "You normal? Like you owe me like this money. If like you always tell me that you don't have money because you don't have money, but now like you're obligated to give me this money." You understand? So of course this cousin had no right to do that. So if you have debts, you have to repay debts, right? And give a small amount, whatever, right? So one more time. One who owes money to people should not disperse the large amount of tzedakah. So minimum tzedakah, yes, you're allowed, you're obligated to keep yourself meritorious. So you're doing mitzvah. But the main point to give back whatever you borrowed. Nevertheless, he's not entirely exempt from the mitzvah, since everyone must give at least third of a shekel a year. As we said, it's maybe $5, let's say. I don't know, with right, maybe $5 tops a year, around a year. However, he should make a great attempt to pay back what he owns before contributing a lot of tzedakah. Okay, so maybe like in community mind, like eyes, this person is very like meritorious, but this cousin of his, he was suffering greatly. So I actually advise this cousin, like, don't go to the same shul, because you're going to go crazy. And like it was eating his heart, and his wife, of course, was not eating him from outside. It was very terrible situations. You understand? So if you a person like that, so don't lend people money a lot, right? Like lend them a little. So if they don't pay, as we said last time, or we did not, I don't know when we said, did not say. So if they don't pay you back, so you just write off tzedakah if that person is really poor person. But if he's borrowing for business or something, you're not obligated to give, basically. If you're not sure that they're going to pay you back. Okay. So I think we can stop here. Any questions on what we said or did not say? Go ahead. Yes, go ahead.
So in regards to this topic, our friend says, question regarding Tzedakah and this week's parasha.
Mm-hmm.
When Rivka met Eliezer, she offered him place to lodge and straw for camels. Since she is a dependent and her families are Reshaim, who intended to steal Eliezer's money instead of doing Hesed, did she have the right to make such an offer?
That's a very good question. Okay, so first of all, I don't think she knew that they would intend to steal Eliezer's money. So if maybe he was not rich, or he did not have money, he was just a traveler, and they were into this hospitality. You understand? As Abraham did. You understand? So just let somebody stay, maybe charge them extra or much extra, but to whatever they actually devised the plan to kill him later on, and take everything, that was extreme. You understand? So she could not calculate that was the agenda. Like, it's not like they were stealing from everybody and killing and dumping the bodies into the desert. It was not the case generally. So she had all of the rights to offer. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. So basically, like she knew that it was the family would not mind. So that's and because from what she saw like growing up in that family.